If your videos are not performing, it's not your camera, it's not your editing, and it's not even the algorithm. It's psychology. And आपके जितने भी favorite creators हैं that you admire, they have mastered the art of content psychology. They know exactly how to make you click, stay and act without you even realizing it. Hey guys, I'm Ananya, your content growth coach, and इस वीडियो में हम आज बात करेंगे about 6 content psychology hacks which will make your audience click, stay and share your content. So before we begin, do not forget to hit like, subscribe this channel and do not forget to turn your post notifications on. So content psychology is not textbook psychology, that it should control attention, emotion, trust, retention and action. And these content psychology hacks are so important कि अगर आपने एक भी hack skip किया, your audience will not watch your content till the end. So let's dive in. Checkpoint number 1 is pain point acceptance. So before thinking anything, आपको make sure करना है that your viewers are having a pain point जिसको आप address कर रहे हो. They should feel a particular problem. And सारे pain points nearly 4 चीजों की वजह से आते हैं. Money, time, health and access. बट यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी ट्रिक है. अगर आप पेन पॉइंट को डायरेक्टली एड्रेस करते हो, the viewers might get offended and they might just scroll away. So you need to go one step sideways. So for example, most of the people want to earn from their content, right? So instead of saying create more content to get rich or to make more money, you can say create content that performs better. So इस वजह से वो offend नहीं होंगे and they will try to connect the dots and they will actually work on their videos and make sure that you're talking directly to them. Make the user words like you and not I. And सबसे important चीज, always show the gap between where they are right now and where they want to be. क्योंकि एक simple सी बात है, if they will not feel the pain, they will not stay. Coming to checkpoint number 2, trust. So once you make your audience feel the pain point, they actually ask that can this person actually help me? So trust build होता है 5 चीजों की वजह से. And the most important thing here is number 1, proof. So proof में आप ये दिखा सकते हो that you have solved this particular problem for someone else. Number 2 is results and इसमें आप दिखा सकते हो that you have solved this problem for yourself as well. Number 3 comes your screenshots. इसके अंदर आप testimonials, before, after ये सब ऐड कर सकते हो. And proof number 3 के अंदर massive social media following भी आता है because the audience will actually feel that people do recognize you, they do connect with you and they do like your content. And lastly we talk about the common ground. So अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा proof है that you were in your audience's shoes before but you're not anymore, then this will work wonders for you. And just a pro tip, always show why your content is better than others, why your audience should like you. So you need to make sure कि आप अपने content में energetic हो, your language is simple and you are connecting with your audience at a very easier level. Because audience वही energy replicate करती है जो आप उनके साथ share करते हो. Coming on to checkpoint number 3, which is plan of action. Now at this point आपने अपनी ऑडियंस का ट्रस्ट बिल्ड कर लिया है. You need to immediately show them that you have a plan of action. And यहाँ पे भी आपको दिखाना है that why your plan is different than the others. आप अपने कंटेंट में ऐसा क्या अलग ऑफर कर रहे हो that लोग आपका कंटेंट देखें and बाहर हजारों क्रिएटर्स का नहीं. So here you can use structures because human psychology prefers structure before any vague plan. So you can use numbers like 3 rules to do this, 5 hacks to create better content, etc, etc. Coming on to checkpoint number 4, which is likability. So in order to be likable, you need to have your unique perspective. You need to be you, you need to be very authentic. And इसकी एक सबसे easy trick है, write simple scripts. I know हमको fancy English words use करना अच्छा लगता है. We want to sound really smart, but trust me guys, this doesn't work. अगर आपकी script में कुछ ऐसे words हैं which are not very familiar with your audience, they will feel dumb. And they might feel that हमें तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, so we need to research more in order to watch this person's content. And tip number 2 for increasing your likability here is do not learn your scripts line by line. So we all have a tendency to exactly see what's written and speak it out, right? अगर आप इस चीज को बहुत repeatedly करोगे, आपका कैमरे के साथ एक conversational tone नहीं बैठ पाएगा and I think your content will look really robotic. So in order to solve this problem, make sure कि आप अपनी स्क्रिप्ट एक बार मिरर के सामने प्रैक्टिस करें, रिहर्स कर लें एंड चीज़ों को अपने हिसाब से सिंप्लीफाई कर लें so that it's easier to speak in front of the camera and build that connection. And make sure to be highly energetic in your content because अगर आप ही low feel कर रहे हो, your audience will exactly replicate that as I mentioned earlier. सो डू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी स्क्रिप्ट किस बारे में है, आपको किस टाइप की एनर्जी चाहिए, एंड वैसी ही एनर्जी आपकी ऑडियंस भी रेप्लिकेट करेगी. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू चेक पॉइंट नंबर 5, विच इज अटेंशन एंड रिटेंशन. अब आपके पास आपकी ऑडियंस का ट्रस्ट है, यू हैव अ प्लान ऑफ एक्शन. योर जॉब नाउ इज टू रिटेन देम, टू होल्ड दैट अटेंशन. सो हियर यू कैन प्ले अ स्मॉल ट्रिक. आप अपने कंटेंट में कुछ ओपन लूप्स क्रिएट करो, देन क्लोज देम अगेन एंड देन अगेन ओपन अ न्यू लूप. So you can use sentences like wait till the last point or this one thing literally changes everything. So ऐसे sentences use करने से audience wait कर रही होती है कि अब क्या होगा, what is going to happen next. They are expecting a big reveal. Remind them कि उन्होंने आपका content देखना क्यों start किया था, why they clicked on this reel. And also make sure that आपकी script में pauses हो, long sentences हो, short sentences हो. It should feel very natural. Basically ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप अपनी audience को lecture कर रहे हो. Coming on to the last and the final checkpoint number 6, the action. So आपने अपनी ऑडियंस को इतनी देर तक एंगेज करके रखा, you wrote an amazing script, आपकी रीहुकिंग स्टाइल्स बहुत अच्छी थी, बट इस सब का मोटिव क्या है? इस सब का मोटिव है that you want your viewers to take an action, to hit like, to hit subscribe, to hit share. But wait. Before asking them to do this, you must close the loop. Just give them a small recap कि वो किस problem को face कर रहे थे and now they have this solution. This will give them a short glimpse that why did they start watching your content and what they are taking away from it in the end. And guys, थोड़ा controversial है, but people in the end will never pay you for information. They will always pay you for transformation. They will pay you for results. After you have closed this loop, after you have told them कि this is the solution, now you can urge them to hit like, subscribe or join now, click on your newsletter, etc. etc. So that's it guys. Here were my 6 psychology hacks that you can use to create better content and to make your audience connect with you. Now I hope that you have understood that content creation is also a bit of a mind game. आप अपनी ऑडियंस की अटेंशन कैसे कंट्रोल करते हो, हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल देयर इमोशन, हाउ डू यू रिटेन देम, ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो इफ यू हैव लर्न टू कंट्रोल ऑल दीज थिंग्स, यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू रॉक इट. सो इफ यू रियली वांट योर कंटेंट टू स्टॉप बीइंग स्किप्ड एंड स्टार्ट बीइंग बिंज्ड, you need to incorporate these hacks in your content. Because trust me guys, creators who understand people always win. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.